Hello everyone, this is Shubham Chaudhary and I welcome you again in this channel today. There is an exciting news on this channel. I am thrilled to announce the launch of the new playlist called Weekly Web Development Projects. In this series, we are diving into the hands-on coding experiences every weekend, exploring a variety of web development projects. Today, we are diving into the world of React, exploring a project that I am really excited about, my very own image gallery. I have built this gallery to showcase some of the amazing features the React offers, and I can't wait to walk you through it. Before we jump into the code, let's quickly talk about the technologies I used. It's a React project styled with CSS, and I have made use of React hooks for state management. Now let's dive into the project structure to see how everything is organized. For talking about the state management, I have used React hooks such as useState and useEffect in app.js. These hooks help us handle user inputs, API calls, and more. So, useState, these hooks are for data fetching. The data is fetched from the Unsplash API using the fetch function. We handle a loading states and error to ensure a smooth experience. Project structure. In this source directory, we have key files app.js, and then index.js. App.js is the heart of the application, managing states and rendering components. Index.js is the entry point rendering our app component in the DOM. Then in the component section, we have full width text field, a component for a dynamic search bar and Unsplash API integration. Header.js, the header component containing the navigation and the search bar. The model box, a model component for displaying a detailed view of an image. Search photos, it manages the search and results, displays them in in a layout. Then standard image list displays a standard list of images fetched from Unsplash. So let's understand each component's role. Full width text field. Here, the full width text field component is responsible for handling the dynamic search input in our image gallery. It serves as the user's gateway to the vast collection of images, allowing them to input search queries. As the user types, this component trigger calls to the Unsplash API, fetching relevant images based on the input. It's like the control center for exploring the gallery, making the search experience seamless and interactive. We have used here use state hook for showing for state assigning the input, and we are fetching this API Unsplash API through fetch function. So after that we get the response back. If we get the response back, we will show it on the UI. For next, the header component. The header component is essentially our navigation hub. It houses the navigation bar at the top of the application. Within this component, you will find the search bar, enabling users to initiate searches easily. Moreover, it features a dark mode toggle, providing users with the flexibility to switch between light and dark modes. So here we are using the light and dark mode toggles. This component is the to the various functionalities of our image gallery, enhancing user experience and accessibilities. So here are the black background modes, so we can toggle the dark mode and light mode. Inside that we have used the full width text field component. Also we are using the toggle functions here. Then talking about the next component, model box, a model box for a detailed view of an image. The model box component is designed to provide users with a detailed immersive view of a selected image. When a user clicks on an image in the gallery, the model box pops up, showcasing the image in a larger format. This model ensures that users can focus on the details of the image without navigating away from the main gallery view. It enhances the user engagement and provides a visually pleasing experience. So box provides a next template for the image. To broaden, here we have used the box. We are importing the MUI material UI library from React, which helps us in creating the reusable components. We don't need to code write whole code for this. We just need to import this statement. So here this is the box component, model box component. Talking about the search photos component, it manages and displays the search results in the layout. Search Search photos components takes charge of managing and displaying search results in the layout. When a user initiates a search, this component processes the Unsplash API response. So, and organizes the images in a visually appealing layout and presents them to the user. It plays a crucial role in dynamically updating the gallery content based on the user search queries, creating an interactive and responsive user interface. So here we are again importing some material UI components such as box, image list item, skeleton, image list item bar. In this material UI library, they have provided the reusable components, reusable codes, so that we can import them in our web development projects. Here we are using useState hook for is loading model open and selected images. Use effect, we are using use effect for set loading the data of length to true or false. For opening and closing modal, we are using these functions so that we can change them according to our use. So this is the image list component, image list item imported from that material library. And here we are using on close and open functions. They are callbacks such modal open and close modal. So we can open and close modal when mouse clicks. And here we are importing another component, modal box, which we explained earlier. I explained earlier. Next, standard image list component. The standard image list component is the workhorse of our gallery, responsible for displaying a standard list of images fetched from the Unsplash API. This is the Unsplash API which we are going to fetch. This component incorporates lazy loading, ensuring that images are loaded efficiently as the user scrolls through the gallery. It also implements infinite scrolling, seamlessly fetching and appending more images as the user reaches the end of the current gallery view. The standard image list provides a smooth and continuous browsing experience, making it a core element of our image gallery project. So, while fetching this API, we need to pass the authorization headers, where API key is the API key provided by the Unsplash API. We will we will fetch this request in use effect, and we have used some of useState hooks here also. Then we have used open modal and close modal for this also, as we need them in the project. So uh, import talking about the components I have imported, this modal box, modal, and some of the components are imported from material UI library, which you can check after this video. These all components work together harmoniously to create the feature-rich and visually appealing rich image gallery. Each plays a unique role in ensuring a seamless user experience, from search and initiation to detailed image exploration. Talking about the responsive design, the image gallery is designed to the responsive, adapting seamless to different screen sizes. CSS media queries are employed to achieve this. I have implemented lazy loading for images to optimize performance. Images are loaded as they enter the viewport, enhancing an user experience. Uh, users Users can interact with the gallery by searching for specific images, clicking on them for a detailed view, and enjoying a seamless navigation experience with the help of Moda. While talking about the testing, it's a topic for another day. Feel free to share your testing tips in the comments. Uh, then challenges faced during development. I faced challenges in optimizing image loading and handling API responses. Overcoming these challenges taught me valuable lessons in performance optimization. I have exciting plans for future improvements. Stay tuned for updates, and I welcome your suggestions for enhancing the gallery. That's wrap. Uh, that's wrap up our deep dive into the React Image Gallery project. I encourage you to explore the code, try out the gallery. You can explore the code in. You can access the code from my GitHub repository. I have uploaded the repo there, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to grow and improve together. Now let's demo into the live demo of the React Gallery project. So this is the basic UI of our web app. Here we are fetching the data from the image splash API, and uh, in there we are fetching the name of the photographer, the logo of that photographer, and also the likes that uh, they have gained in their Unsplash API. So this is the overall view of the image gallery. While clicking on an image, it pops up, and we are seeing due to the modal. Here we can explore the image more widely, like this. We can search any specific images for that. Let's suppose amazing. We are searching. So we get the results after searching images. Uh, Same as the modal, we can explore the images widely. Yeah, and there is a dark mode and light mode toggles here. So when dark mode, here is the user interface. Then for this, so that's it. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for upcoming lead code problem of the day videos and exciting month-stack web development projects. Happy coding, and let's make this year a fantastic one together. Thank you.